Analyzing Semrush position tracking is a crucial step in understanding your website's search engine ranking and making informed decisions to improve it. To start, you need to have a Semrush account and have set up position tracking for your target keywords. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the position tracking tool. Here, you will see an overview of your tracked keywords, including their current position, search volume, and competition level. Take note of the keywords that are ranking on the first page of search engine results, as these are the most important ones to focus on. Next, analyze the position tracking graph, which shows the movement of your keyword rankings over time. Look for any significant changes or trends in the graph, such as a sudden drop or increase in rankings. This can help you identify any issues with your website or content that may be affecting your rankings. Now, let's dive deeper into the keyword analysis. Click on a specific keyword to see its detailed report. Here, you will see the current position, search volume, and competition level, as well as the URL that is ranking for that keyword. Take note of the URL and analyze the content to see if it is optimized for the target keyword. Another important aspect of position tracking is competitor analysis. Semrush allows you to track your competitors' rankings and compare them to your own. This can help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities to outrank your competitors. Look for keywords where your competitors are ranking higher than you, and analyze their content to see what they are doing differently. Best practices for analyzing Semrush position tracking include regularly monitoring your keyword rankings, identifying trends and patterns, and making data-driven decisions to improve your content and SEO strategy. It's also important to keep track of your competitors and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, analyzing Semrush position tracking is a powerful way to understand your website's search engine ranking and make informed decisions to improve it. By following these steps and best practices, you can gain valuable insights into your keyword rankings, competitor analysis, and content optimization, and take your SEO strategy to the next level.